Hello. Thinking about going electric? At Positive Electricians, we make installing your EV charger easy, efficient, and safe. Whether you're driving a Tesla, a Chevy Bolt, or any electric vehicle, having a home charging station offers convenience and saves time. Our certified electricians are experts in EV charger installation. We handle everything from assessing your electrical system to ensuring proper installation and compliance with local codes. Need to install a charger but concerned about your electrical load? No problem. We also offer the DCC9 Energy Management System, which allows you to install your EV charger without expensive panel upgrades by monitoring and managing your home's energy usage. With your own EV charger, you can charge faster, enjoy the convenience of home charging, and save money with the added benefit of smart energy management from the DCC9 system. Plus, with smart chargers and the DCC9 system, you can monitor your charging progress and control your energy usage right from your phone. Whether you're a homeowner, business owner, or looking to install EV chargers at a commercial property, Positive Electricians has you covered. At Positive Electricians, we're committed to making your transition to electric seamless. Trust us to deliver a professional, hassle-free installation experience, along with innovative energy management solutions like the DCC9 system. Ready to power up your EV at home? Visit positiveelectricians.com or call 844-411-0240 to schedule your EV charger installation with DCC9 Energy Management today. Like, comment, and subscribe for more energy-saving tips and services. Yeah.